What's up everybody, today I will show you how to earn free money on Whatnot. So just follow and watch this video till the end. So open Whatnot first like this, and after that you should go right now to account, and after that go to revolves and credit and click. You will see here this. Right now you have to share link with your friends or your contacts. Then the people that you share with, they must download the application of Whatnot and use it and buy items or anything. So then you can earn 20 or $200 as you can read here. Everyone who sign up with your link follow you automatically and can get to 200 of Whatnot credit. So guys, it's very simple. Just try it and you will not lose nothing. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.